guys, it's me, Kyle here, back from every single day. I always do this for my own content. Well, I'm back today, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to learn about birds. Okay, so birds are part of a group called avians, which means that they fly. They're also the only animals that have feathers, which are on their wing, and it evolved from pterosaurs, which are flying reptiles that I did in my last video. Make sure to go check it out, and probably you'll learn more about them. I did pretty good on the video. I got 22 views, and if you guys will probably like this video and go subscribe, it will probably be the goodest thing you guys will ever done. So, you do know birds can make two sounds. It's because their lungs, also known as their lung wax, can make two sounds if it's too squeezed in and also squeezed out, which makes two sounds separately. And if you find a bird that is half male and half female, that's called gender morphing. It's very rare to see a bird like that. It does not happen often, and it's rare to see. So if you guys ever see one, make sure to leave a link in the description down below, and I'll probably see you guys probably in the next video, but I'm not over yet. So birds have pretty much very good species. There's 10,000 species of birds. There's 9,000 family of birds, which is pretty cool for all birds. Especially most birds are vegetational or carnivorous. One example of extinct birds, and there's 900 of them, have been extinct since the 1500s. And they've been hunted by humans, and that's a problem today. Habitat loss, we have pollution, overfishing, and oil population in life. And some can live by the sea, by seabirds, which is their name. But sometimes we throw litter inside the ocean, and that's a bad problem. This is really, really bad. So there could be a way that you guys could actually solve it. And if you do that, then that's good news for you. This is Kyle signing off, and I love you guys. Thank you for 19 subscribers in my last video. Bye!